Okay, so this is Fin 2 drawing. This is Make B, Part B. If you notice, I already have A. Hopefully what you would utilize is you already have this drawn up. So what hopefully you do is select this, do a copy, and just drag it right over. So we have all that done. Just did a random distance over. So since we already have that done, what we can do is we can just add some features to this. Um, what I will tell you is this is going to change since we put them fillet. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to extend these lines right to the end, and then I'm going to select this endpoint, and I'll show you why. So we have that. I'm going to go ahead and put the radius in there. Radius is 0.25. So if we come to this fillet, pretty powerful tool, you can select radius and type the radius in 0.25. You can select this line, put it in there. If you notice, it just changed. So that's why we extended this line up so we can move that there. Repeat the command. I just hit space, put it there, and I'm going to take this and just take these snaps, move right to the 1. So since we have that, keep moving around. There's no fillet here, but there's a fillet here. So I'm going to just do fillet. Radius is still the same. Select this line, put it there. May have to move this over here because it takes that snap point and updates it. And then let's come over here. I'm going to do a fillet. Same thing, probably going to happen. I'm going to select this one. So 1.25 is incorrect anymore, so let's just drag that to the end. That looks better. And then all we have to do is put these little slots in. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to offset, go up to the center. I'm going to locate the center, so that's 0.25. Select this line, go that way. Repeat the command, just hitting space. It goes through the commands. Then I'm going to offset it again, 0.875. Select this and go that way. Now I'm going to go to extend. Select this, and just select there. So these are our circles right now, center. You can pull these down the layer. We don't need to be as thick, but what we need is some center lines. So we'll have to load them. Haven't done that yet. So what all I did was I just pulled this down, click Other, and to save space, AutoCAD only loads this. So if we load, what you can do is you can go, I hit C for center, all these different line types. So I'm just going to find center. I usually go for 2. Click OK. We'll make the center 2 now. So looks good, but not so good. So we'll get to that. I'm going to keep going ahead and drawing this around here real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle, intersection. Now we got to watch out. The radius is 0.125. This is good because it's showing the radius right there, so 0.125. Repeat the command with space. If you hit space again, it knows that radius. And we'll just go ahead and go from this quadrant to the intersection. Quadrant, intersection. I'm just drawing lines. Quadrant, intersection. Quadrant, intersection. So now we get to do a bunch of trimming. TR, select the trim. Trim that, trim this, trim this, trim that. Looks pretty good. What we can do is we can do match properties, MA. You can either change the line weight up there. I like just doing match properties because you already have it loaded. Select a feature and just paste it. So now we have that. That looks good, but these center lines don't look so hot. So if you select them and type PR for properties, you can change the line type scale. If we go like 0.5, see how the dashes became a little smaller? So we'll close that. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to offset, O, offset, and I'm going to type in 0.125. We'll see what that looks like. All I'm doing that is for so we have a consistent center line. I'm going to do trim. I'm going to trim these up here. These may very well not look so hot again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit E for erase. Select this center line again. Select this center line. Type PR for properties. I'm going to type 0.3. See what that, there we got some center lines going on. So that looks pretty good. All we need to do is throw some dimensions in. So show radius. Select this. And I'm going to repeat command. You can right click and do that. Try not to put dimensions in the part, but sometimes you have to. And then we'll throw some dimensions in, linear dimensions. So select endpoint to your end of your circle or your center line. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to select my endpoint up here and put my dimension up top there. That makes it pretty nice. Same thing here to here. And I'll go ahead and throw this right there. So these need to come out, no biggie. Just select these endpoints, pull this over, and then select this and drag it out. Something you can do is typical, we'll get in this, but TYP, if you click on it, you can't edit the text dimension, but you can type typical in there, meaning all these corners are the same radius. Same thing here, TYP, all caps. And if you notice, we lost the circle, the center line. So what if we do, we select that, and then we get rid of the center mark and hit none. Then you can do a MA for match properties, and select that, and there, get rid of that center mark. So other than that, I think, oh, we need one more dimension. I'm going to pull this down, go linear, endpoint to center, and I'll just pull this up a little. There is our part drawn. Simple enough. That's it.